In the last video, we discussed the definition of success and what does it mean to become successful. Today, I'll be revealing 5 strange signs that you will become successful. So let's begin. Number 1. You practice empathy. It's very easy to gain or show sympathy, but it's 10 times more difficult to show empathy. To put yourself in someone else's shoes is definitely the quality of successful men and winners. Number 2. Process over money. You enjoy the process rather than worrying about its outcomes. You love your work and prioritize it higher than monetary things. Number 3. You practice humility. Ego and pride stays under everyone's collar, but humility is rare. If you have the ability to keep your ego aside and live, then this single ability can place you much higher in life. Number 4. Eagle's eye in the midst of fog. You know what you want, even if you don't know how to get there yet. Having clear goals in mind is as important as working for them. And last but not the least, number 5. Unbreakable rock. You got what I mean, right? If not, then this is the ability to rise every time you fall, not fearing about failures and showing persistence in the face of hardships. Do you have any of these signs? Do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.